Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional of today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, Monday, December the 28th, 2020. 3 days to go, and 2020 will be past. Yes. Today, in this additional, we have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Tectonic number 1, binary number 1, binary number 2, and tectonic number 2. Yes, 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, only 4 of them. Half of them I will solve them, and I will do a 3 stars, a 4 stars, a 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. And the first Sudoku is a 3 star Sudoku, and this will be number 2073. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. And let me do this. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 22, 25. Accept correctly. I'm curious if the publisher also publish the rest of the Sudokus also with 25 printed digits. So let me check this, because normally the 1 star has 27. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12, 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 5 is 24, 25, yes, 25 again. Let me see here in the Sudoku, for the Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 plus 5 is 8, 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19, 20, 25 again. Wow. So a lot of 25 printed digits. Now about the 4 stars. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 4 is 10, 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 22, plus 3 is 25. So all of these Sudokus has 25 printed digits. So the publisher has changed the strategy. Yes. I do not know why, because the difficulty level, one of the indication of the difficulty level is the printed digits. Yeah, are the printed digits in the Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. I see here in the second column we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 7. We have an 8 and a 7 in this big square, so no 8 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes, and I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. That means the other 3 missing numbers in this column are the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5, 1, 5, and the 9. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 numbers. The other 3 numbers in this big square should be the 2, the 3, and the 6. 2, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 there, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. 6 and a 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So one number left in this big square for the number 2. Alright, alright. And now, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And then 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers, 3 missing numbers. Well, actually, yeah, 2, 2, 8, 7, and the 5 is missing. Alright, I cannot do anything now. Need to wait for more information. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. There 1, no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 should be here because I have those two boxes marked with the 8 and a 7, so it cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then I cannot continue with 1. How about three missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for a 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those numbers are the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. No. 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8. Mistake. This should be an 8. So here cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be there. Yes. Alright. How about the number? Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for a 5 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5 and this should be a 1. Alright. So now we have a 1 there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, yes. Alright. Then. 4 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between only place for a 4 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. The 2 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be there. 7 and 8, 7 and 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Mm-hmm. 7, 3, 6. Yeah. How about those two numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. Let me mark those two numbers, 3 and 4. One number left in this row for the number 7. 2, 8, and 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 8 are missing in the last row. 2, 6, 8. We see here 2 and a 6 in this middle column, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes, so one box left for the 8. 8. All right. 5. 2, 2. Let me see. How about yes, 3 missing numbers, actually 4, but one of the missing number in this big square is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in those two boxes, so the 5 could be here, could be there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8, 7, and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 8 and the 7 are missing as a pair. Yes, I need to mark those. 6. All right. One number left in this first column for the number 7, I believe. 7 is missing here, and because we have a 7 here, this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 7. Now we have a 7 here. This cannot be 7 anymore. This should be an 8. Two numbers left in this big square, the 5 and the 2 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes because it's a pair. All right, 2 and a 5. 5, 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. The 7 and the 3 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be a 3 and this should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. 6. 3, 6. So like 3 and 2 numbers left in this column. Those numbers are the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then. 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3. In those 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in this third row for the numbers 9 and 2? 9 and 2. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 6. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 3, I believe. No, we have a 3 here. 8 and 6. Yeah, 8 and 6. 8 and 6. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this can't be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. And the last final 2 numbers of this big square, the 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. We have a there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right. A great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku it will be. So see you later. Bye bye for now.